to another video. It's been a while, I know, but it's all good. Been caught up working, school. I'm finally back with another video. It's been forever. Well, as you can see, weather is pretty garbage. The whole is fire. As you can see, yeah, it's whack. But still cleaning my car today. Have a car meet going down finally. Hopefully it's cool. Hopefully it's not fucking, weather's not bad. But we'll see what we get into today. Bring us along with me. Oh, I also got a few new parts. Had a little wing, my diffuser. I also made them black. And today I'm supposed to be getting my new grill, because I'm gonna get a chrome delete going on here in my car. So hopefully it'll come out good. We'll see. I'll show you guys a little car wash. Not a car wash, but just cleaning it down. Done now, finally. Hot as hell. It took me like an hour or so, but right now I'm just waiting on my car part, my grill. I'm gonna replace it all gloss black. You can see it's all chrome right now. That by today gonna be black. So, and then soon, or like this week probably, I might get a chrome delete. All this, I already started everything black. All this is gonna be black. So, a little transformation on the car, but it's going good with it. I love it so far, but it's cool. More to come for it. Yeah, no. Finally got a clip of how a car sounds. Sounds pretty cool. I got a muffler delete and a resonator delete on it. I'll show you guys how it sounds right now. You guys think about it? I like it so far. It's not loud, it's not too quiet. It's there. Soon I get more stuff on it though. Soon. But about to link up with my boys later. All the homies. Probably hang out before I meet. Get a haircut today. Finally your boy's looking a little rough. But bring us along with the boy. You guys saw my day. Finally got my freaking grill. Going all day for it. And finally got it. It looks too damn hard, bro. Way better. Makes the car look muy bien. Very great. I'll give you guys a little look at it. So that's gonna replace that right there. Give you a little sneak peek of how it's gonna look. And like that. There you go. With a cleaner look. Finally on the way to get my hair cut. About to get saved today. About time. And then probably head out after to the car meet. Link up with my boys maybe. I'll let y'all know. But the boys gonna be looking right in an hour or so. What's up, y'all? I just got that fresh cut. Feel me, boy, looking straight. Straight now. But anyways, about to head to the meet. Hopefully it's pretty good. I heard, but we'll see how it is when I get there. I'm head out right now. My homie's already there, so I'll take you along with me. Kind of the next day. I didn't record much last night. There was nothing popping, nothing much, but yeah, we're about to install this grill finally. See how it is. Show y'all what's up after. I just finished the grill. Looks 10 out of 10. Way better than before. No more chrome. That shit's long overdue. But it's gonna close out today's video. If you guys enjoyed, bring you guys some more content next time. And I'm out. Peace.